Welcome to the Brinkmann Smoke and Pit Charcoal Smoker and Grill video assembly. Connect right and left legs together. Front pair legs will have 2 extra holes for front shelf supports as illustrated. Insert shelf into holes on the inside of legs. Put axle rod through the holes on the right legs. Put wheels through the axle rod and place the wheel caps over the axle rod ends. Install leg braces with support flange towards center of grill onto the legs using 8 M6 by 12 mm Phillips head bolts. Do not tighten bolts until after installing firebox onto base. Install grill base with firebox opening towards left side on top of the legs using 4 M6 by 12 mm Phillips head bolts. Install 2 M6 by 12 mm Phillips head bolts and M6 nuts through grill base and leg braces. Attach front shelf to front of grill base using 2 M6 by 12 mm Phillips head bolts. Attach table supports with slotted holes towards front shelf using 4 M6 by 12 mm Phillips head bolts. Attach push handle onto firebox lid using 2 M6 by 12 mm Phillips head bolts. Attach smaller handle using 2 M5 by 12 mm Phillips head bolts and M5 nuts. Attach firebox lid stop using 1 M5 by 12 mm Phillips head bolt and M5 nut. Attach air shutter onto firebox door using 1 M6 by 12 mm Phillips head bolt and M6 nut. Do not over-tighten air shutter. Air shutter should move freely. Attach door latch using 1 M5 by 12 mm Phillips head shoulder bolt and M5 nut as illustrated. Connect firebox door hinge to the outside of door and firebox base using 4 M5 by 12 mm Phillips head bolts and M5 nuts. Attach 1 M6 by 15 mm Phillips head shoulder bolt onto firebox base for a door latch. Connect firebox and grill base together using 6 M6 by 12 mm Phillips head bolts. Connect firebox lid and firebox base using 6 M6 by 12 mm Phillips head bolts. Connect firebox support with firebox base using M6 by 12 mm Phillips head bolts and M6 nuts. Install smokestack onto smokestack bracket. To install the temperature gauge, insert the center hole on grill lid, then turn it clockwise to upright position. Attach grill lid handle using 2 M6 by 12 mm Phillips head bolts and M6 nuts. Install grill lid on grill base using 2 M8 by 23 mm Phillips head shoulder bolts. Attach the charcoal tray to charcoal grate by hooking tray edges onto grate frame. Use charcoal grate adjusters to lower charcoal grate assembly into grill base. Rest charcoal grate adjusters on supports in grill base. Install the warming rack inside the grill lid. Insert the rack pin through the holes from the inside of grill lid. Align the warming rack support armholes with the holes on the side panel of grill base, using 2 M6 cap nut, 2 M6 washers, and 2 M6 by 15 mm Phillips head shoulder bolts. Place cooking grills on support lips of grill base. Place firebox charcoal grate inside the bottom of firebox. Place firebox cooking grills inside the top of firebox base. Insert grease cup holder into holes on right leg brace.